Do you hate working with spreadsheets? Or maybe you don't hate it, but you need to work with spreadsheets as a part of your job. Well, not all of us have been educated super well in Excel or Google Sheets. We're just kind of using it on a surface level. But you might know the basics, but to do heavy lifting formulas that can actually make Excel or Google Sheets powerful, you need to actually dive into it. This is why I'm going to introduce 5 AI tools that will be really amazing for spreadsheet users. From cleaning up data quickly to generating formulas in an instant, these set of tools in this video are going to streamline your entire process with Excel or Google Sheets fast. Keep in mind, I'm not sponsored by any of these tools. I just simply like to share it to more people. And if you'd like to share this video out to more people, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to learn the building blocks for the age of AI. So the first on this list is a tool that I mentioned in a previous video, which is Sheet Plus. Anyone who's tired of writing out formulas for Google Sheets or Excel, or even apprehensive to learn about it, how to use Excel or Google Sheets better, this is for you. You can streamline your entire workflow using Sheet Plus, and all you have to do is write a simple input prompt, and then the output is like magic. As they market on their website alone, it saves users up to 80% of their time, and beyond automating formulas for you, it can also give you explanations that help you learn, all the while doing things much faster. They have the text-to-formula generation for Google Sheets, as well as you are able to generate explanations that allow you to understand the step-by-step breakdown of what they did. And they also have a debugger that allows you to debug any problems that may exist on pre-existing sheets you're handling. The next tool is Excelli AI. This is another text-to-formula generation tool that supports both Excel and Google Sheets. What differentiates this from the previous tool, though, is that you can do this directly from the browser or from Slack itself, which makes it very useful. With an easy-to-use interface, you can save a lot of time from Googling instead of just write out what you want to do on Excel or Google Sheets. From formula explanations to generating VBA formulas themselves, the tool is powerful. Some of the key features are that you can upload files to generate formulas based on what's already there. You can also receive explanations for formulas, so you're learning all together. And it can be integrated with Slack, as I mentioned earlier, so you can make calculations that get sent directly to the messaging platform. Third on the list is Ajelix. This is another AI tool that's perfect for anyone using Excel or Google Sheets. You can write formulas, translate all spreadsheets into understandable information, and even analyze data directly within your dashboard. Ajelix is more than just a text-to-formula generator. Think of this AI tool as sort of an all-encompassing data analysis and visualization tool. You can generate and optimize VBA scripts and also get easy-to-understand data visualization reports, so you're going through the whole data analysis process. Learn to write and translate Excel and Google Sheet files, write, edit, optimize, and debug a VBA code, and you can format your formulas within the product and remove any errors or duplicates as well. The fourth on this list is PromptLoop. Much like the tool earlier, PromptLoop is more than just a text-to-formula generator. It also takes it one step beyond by categorizing, summarizing, and transforming your text data directly within the program itself. So this is an awesome AI tool for Excel or Google Sheet users that can generate answers using AI models. You can create custom AI workflows that will scrape data, summarize the data, and generate text. So some of the key features include being able to receive explanations of the data analysis done on your sheets, so you're actually knowing what's going on. You can do web data scraping, which allows you to get data from the internet and then import it directly into your spreadsheet, and analyze your content data and get rankings on the quality of content for SEO as well. So this can be very helpful for marketers. Finally, the last tool on this list is Arcwise. While it's still in beta mode, this is a pretty popular AI tool for Excel and Google Sheet users. It's backed by the popular Sequoia Capital, and the tool allows you to build out workflows directly as an extension that streamlines data analysis. Not only does it automate the workflow by generating formulas, but like many of the tools I mentioned earlier, it can sort, filter, and summarize the data with custom workflows. You can also create reports and forecast a lot faster with their automation. So as I mentioned, some of the key features is to analyze the data by speaking with the AI analyst directly. You can scrape, clean, summarize data with their automation, and integrate with a number of platforms from MySQL to Salesforce. So in the end, AI tools are simplifying our lives and streamlining our workflows. Along with many of the tools mentioned here, there are so many other AI tools that are great for small business owners and just improving productivity. If you'd like to know more about some of these AI tools that enhance productivity, or even for small business owners, check out the next video. It'll be very useful for you. And if this video itself was quite useful, make sure to like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to navigate this digital ocean of AI together.